All right, now we're going to now replace the SSD and show the internal computer. Should be a straightforward process. All right, I'm just going to use a tool, plastic tool, to try and pry off the bottom. Looking for a weak spot. There we go. Down there already. That was very easy. Right. Now we're in trouble. I thought this had a NVMe. It doesn't. That's a bummer. All right. It must be a configuration error. Okay, so it has a DDR4 RAM. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module probably in there. What is that? This is a. So that's an NVMe, all right. Now look at that model number there. MZ dash. So what is this then? It's just empty space. Ah, that is an empty space. Let's double check. That's cool. We have a slot for a 2.5-inch hard drive as well. That would be good news. So, oh no, there is no. Okay, this is just a bracket. So there is actually no hard drive here. This is fantastic. I didn't know. This actually has a option for a 2.5-inch slot and also NVMe. So this is great in cases where NVMe can be expensive per gigabyte in comparison to SATA SSD. So this can be your data drive, either a normal drive or another SSD maybe, up to you. And I don't know if the BIOS supports RAID. If it does, that will be even more fantastic. Okay, so we're going to utilize the entire space, so probably only going to remove this through. Normally you do want the battery disconnected, but I usually find changing SSDs or hard drives, you don't need to take the battery out. But if you do take out LCD monitor, LCD cables, anything that's high voltage, you do want to take out the battery. Now let's see if this system will boot into. I wish there was two fans, but anyway, let's give this a go. See if it will boot into Windows 7. As we thought it was. Let's have a look. Power on. This is the Chinese version of Windows 7. Uh-oh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.